Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about Brufen 400 tablet. Will cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's dive right in. Manufactured by Abbott. Brufen 400 tablet. Uses. Brufen 400 tablet is a widely used painkiller, providing relief from pain and reducing fever. It's effective for various types of pain, including headaches, migraines, toothaches, nerve pain, sore throat, menstrual pain, arthritis, and muscle aches. Benefits. Brufen 400 tablet works by blocking chemical messengers in the brain that signal pain. This makes it highly effective for both short-term pain relief and managing chronic conditions like arthritis. It's a commonly used medicine and rarely causes side effects when taken at the correct dosage. Side effects. Like all medicines, Brufen 400 tablet may cause some side effects. Common side effects include nausea, vomiting, dizziness, abdominal pain, constipation, flatulence, diarrhea, indigestion, headache, fatigue, and skin rash. If you experience any severe or persistent side effects, contact your doctor immediately. How to use. Take Brufen 400 tablet exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Swallow the tablet whole without chewing, crushing, or breaking it. For best results, take it with food to reduce the risk of stomach discomfort. How it works? Brufen 400 tablet is classified as a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID. It works by blocking the release of chemical messengers that cause pain, inflammation, and fever. This makes it effective not only for pain relief, but also for reducing swelling and redness.